Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best folding beach chair is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for anyone who loves spending time outdoors. Whether it's a day at the beach, a picnic in the park, or simply relaxing in your backyard, this versatile chair offers comfort and convenience, making it a must-have for your outdoor adventures. Imagine sinking into a comfortable seat after a long day of exploring. With everything you need right at your fingertips, this chair is designed to enhance your outdoor experience, providing a perfect spot to unwind and enjoy the scenery. Number 5. Coleman 4 Can Cooler Camping Chair. Introducing the ultimate camping companion. This chair keeps your drinks cold with its built-in cooler, so you never have to leave your seat. Enjoy easy access to your beverages with the integrated mesh cup holder. Plus, side pockets offer convenient storage for your essentials. Experience superior comfort with a fully cushioned seat and backrest. It's designed for relaxation wherever you go. Built with a strong steel frame for stability and durability. It also includes a carry bag for effortless transport. Perfect for camping, tailgating, backyard gatherings, and more. Take this comfortable and convenient chair anywhere your adventures lead. What we like. This chair keeps your drinks perfectly chilled with its integrated cooler. It offers superior comfort with a fully cushioned seat and back. If you're looking for ultimate relaxation and convenience at tailgates or backyard gatherings, this is your go-to choice. What people say. The built-in cooler pouch is such a nice bonus. It's perfect for keeping a few drinks cold and within reach, and the cup holder is really convenient too. It's sturdy, easy to set up, and packs away nicely in the carry bag. Space. There is plenty of room in this chair for a 6 foot plus 220 lb plus person to sit in. I felt like I had more than enough room on the seat and the arms fell at a good height for my elbows to comfortably bend. Number 4. Hiccapop OmniBoost Travel Booster Seat. Introducing the Hiccapop OmniBoost, the ultimate portable booster seat for your little one. It's designed for convenience, making mealtime easy wherever you go. Whether at a restaurant, camping, or visiting family, this seat provides a secure and comfortable spot for your baby to dine. Its versatile design fits various settings. The tip-free design ensures stability, giving you peace of mind. It securely straps onto most kitchen chairs, creating a safe eating environment. Designed for life on the move, it folds compactly for effortless storage and transport. Take it to the beach, on trips, or simply to grandma's house. This booster seat comes with an attached tray, perfect for snacks and meals. It's easy to clean, making post-meal tidying a breeze. Enjoy more adventures with your child without worrying about mealtime logistics. This booster seat offers a practical solution for busy families. What we like. This innovative seat is designed for parents on the go, offering a secure and stable place for your little one. Its compact, folding design makes it perfect for dining out, camping trips, or visits to grandma's. If you need a portable, safe, and easy-to-use high chair alternative for your baby, this is an excellent option. What people say. The chair is lightweight and easy to carry. It is sturdy and holds up well even on uneven surfaces. The cup holder is a convenient feature for keeping drinks close. Number 3. Nice Sea Low Beach Chair 2-Pack. Experience unparalleled comfort with our breathable mesh fabric and padded armrests. This chair is designed for relaxation, wherever your adventures take you. Crafted with industrial-grade materials, this chair offers exceptional durability. Its lightweight design and included carrying case make transport a breeze. Enjoy peace of mind with a robust frame that supports up to 300 pounds. The stable design ensures a secure and reliable seating experience. Setting up is as simple as unfolding the frame. When it's time to pack up, it collapses easily into its compact carrying case. Keep your essentials close with the integrated cup holder. It's the perfect companion for the beach, park, or any outdoor gathering. Spills and dirt are no match for this chair. Simply wipe it clean with a towel or use soap and water for a thorough wash. What we like. Experience cool comfort with its breathable mesh fabric, perfect for hot beach days. Built with industrial-grade materials, it offers exceptional durability and stability. If you prefer a low-profile seating option for the beach or concerts and value sturdiness, this 2-pack is a fantastic value. What people say. This chair is very lightweight and easy to carry. The chair is sturdy and can hold a good amount of weight. It folds up compactly, making it easy to store. Number 2. Neso Lightweight Portable Beach Chairs, 2-pack black. Introducing the Neso Beach Chairs, designed for ultimate relaxation at the beach, park, or any outdoor adventure. They provide a comfortable and stable seating solution, even on hot sand or uneven surfaces. Experience superior comfort with breathable fabric and a thoughtful low-profile design. These chairs are built with a rust-resistant aluminum frame and premium canvas, ensuring they remain sturdy and stylish for years to come. Keep your essentials close at hand with convenient side pockets, perfect for your phone, drink, or sunglasses. They offer reliable support, with regular chairs holding up to 210 pounds and XL chairs up to 240 pounds. Setting up is a breeze with these folding chairs. No tools are required. They unfold effortlessly, allowing you to start relaxing in seconds, just like your seaside escape. Take instant comfort wherever you go. These chairs are compact and lightweight, making them easy to carry to the beach, park, or any outdoor gathering. Neso is dedicated to creating innovative, portable, and lightweight travel products. We share a passion for the outdoors and a commitment to enjoying precious time with family. What we like? Enjoy a perfect recline with its comfortable, breathable fabric and lightweight design. The rust-resistant aluminum frame ensures longevity, and the included shoulder strap makes transport effortless. If you prioritize easy portability, comfort, and a stylish look for your beach or park outings, this chair is an ideal companion. What people say. The chair is lightweight and easy to carry. It folds up compactly, making it great for storage and transport. The sturdy construction ensures it can hold a good amount of weight. Number 1. Overmont Ultralight Portable Camping Chair. Experience ultimate portability with this incredibly compact chair. It packs down small and comes with a durable carry bag, making it your perfect companion for any outdoor adventure. Setting up is a breeze. Thanks to its smart design with pre-attached elastic cords, you can have it ready to relax in under 30 seconds, no complicated steps required. Enjoy your outdoor activities with everything you need close at hand. It features convenient oversized cup holders and a handy phone pocket, keeping your essentials within easy reach. Relax with confidence. The non-slip feet on all 4 legs ensure it remains stable and secure, even on uneven surfaces, providing a reliable and comfortable seating experience. Don't let its lightweight design fool you. Crafted from robust materials, it offers exceptional durability and can support up to 330 pounds, ensuring long-lasting comfort and reliability. We stand by our product's quality. You can enjoy your purchase with peace of mind, thanks to our limited lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects. What we like? This chair is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it perfect for backpacking and travel. Setup is a breeze, taking less than 30 seconds. If you're an outdoor enthusiast who needs a reliable, easy to set up, and sturdy chair that won't weigh you down, this is the ultimate choice for your adventures. What people say. The chair is lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for the beach or camping. It folds up compactly, so it doesn't take up much space in the car or storage. The sturdy construction ensures it can support a good amount of weight without wobbling. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.